This 35-year-old woman has intractable biliary type pain after cholecystectomy with normal LFTs and bile duct, or type 3 possible sphincter dysfunction. We recommend this type of procedure be done only at tertiary centers with advanced experience with sphincter dysfunction. Aspirated pancreatic manometry is performed here, showing clear juice, confirming pancreatic location, and is normal. It's critical to place a pancreatic stent for safety in these type of patients, so our next step is to access the pancreatic duct, here done with a 3.9 French autotome. You see the very angular turn in the pancreatic duct, which may be impossible to negotiate with a guide wire. Our approach is to leave an 018 Roadrunner wire at that level and continue. In our experience, only this type of wire will remain in such a shallow depth in the pancreas, while conventional hybrid wires will slip out. Using rapid exchange technique, the 018 Roadrunner wire is left in position at the first turn, and a 543 cannula is used to cannulate the bile duct. Fluoroscopy is very helpful to identify the position of the catheter in the duct. Notice the pancreatic wire in place, and with deep cannulation of the bile duct with a 543, a second 018 Roadrunner wire is passed into the bile duct so that we have control of both ducts throughout the case. Notice the small caliber of the bile duct. With both 018 wires in place, now we're going to perform a wire-guided biliary manometry, which in this case turns out to be markedly abnormal. We now have an indication for biliary, but not for pancreatic sphincterotomy. We're going to place a pancreatic stent first to ensure drainage. This is a 3 centimeter long, 4 French, single internal flange, but external pigtail stent passed just through to the first turn in the duct. And you can see here the stent being inserted, and using rapid exchange technique with the endoscopist controlling the wire is slowly pulled back and deploys the stent, which can be seen here as the wire is withdrawn, with the pigtail forming in the duodenum. Now again, let's look at that from the endoscopic point of view. The papillotome is used as a rapid exchange pusher tube, and you can see the stent deploying here. Now with the biliary wire still in place, we're performing a very careful stepwise biliary sphincterotomy. This is extended to a fairly complete sphincterotomy, and the pancreatic stent remains in place throughout. Here you can see the pancreatic stent in place with the pigtail end and then the upper end of this short stent just below the first turn in the duct. X-ray is taken in 2 weeks to see if the stent has fallen out, and if not, is removed by EGD.